Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, my name is Muhammad Zani Arif bin Badli. I am the representative of my group 7. And these are my group members, which are Nur Hashimah binti Anwar Seriram, Putri Nur Syawani binti Raimi, and Nur Aina Afiqah binti Zulkarnain. We are talking about Datuk Wan Muhammad Sani bin Saleh. His birth. His name is Datuk Wan Muhammad Sani bin Saleh. His birthday on 24th July 1976. His birthplace on Kuala Ibai, Kuala Terengganu. Today, his age is 45 years old. Datuk Wan Muhammad Sani, his education was Diploma Business Management in Sunway College. His position, he is a Director Sani United Sdn Bhd, which are Sani Express Sdn Bhd, Sani Property Sdn Bhd, Sani Hotel Sdn Bhd. Datuk Wan Muhammad Sani bin Saleh has achievements which are awarded the Mahkota Pahang Science Degree DINP, which carries the title of Datuk by the Sultan of Pahang, Sultan Ahmad Shah, on June 2009, and the Malaysian Chamber of Commerce DPMM Kuala Lumpur Outstanding Entrepreneur Award on April 2009. The business that he has, Datuk Wan Muhammad Sani bin Saleh, he has Sani Express Sdn Bhd, Sani Hotel Sdn Bhd, and Sani Properties Sdn Bhd. Characteristics and factors of success. Before his success, he has factors that lead him to success, which are: first, he's not ashamed to ask and learn from anyone, because for him, intelligence is not from himself, but it can be learned from anyone. And second, he has a clear vision, which is he wants to be an entrepreneur. So he decides his vision and mission is set in his mind clearly. Third, he do not give up easily, because to be a successful man is not as easy as an ABC. Fourth, he dare to take risks. This is the characteristic and factors of success that we should be followed by him. Next, the way Datuk Wan Muhammad Sani bin Saleh managed his business. Each business used highly prestigious Michelin LVE2 Plus tires that are capable of providing good grip, which means that when the driver drove the bus, and the tire on the road is good grip. Next, the bus use a speed limiter to ensure the bus driver at the allowable speed, which means that the speed is not fast and not slow. Next, each bus install GPS. And next, the bus use a 12,000 cc DC 121 engine that complies with the exhaust fume gas emission level. This is good and this is great. Next, electronic braking system, which will slow down engine by 5 stages. This means his bus is so unique and not similar from any other bus. Next, Datuk Wan Muhammad Sani Saleh maintain relationship with employees. We know that during MCO, many people have face many problems, which is food, money, and house or loan, and many more. So, to maintain his relationship with employees, he provided food aid to workers to ease their burden. This way, um, their employees will feel grateful because have him as a boss. Before he become a successful businessman today, he faced so many challenges. But this is three challenges faced by Dato' Muhammad Sani Khalif. One, his partner withdrew from the business because first his partner didn't trust and didn't believe that they can success in future. But she showed that his partner is wrong. Second, uh, responsibility on big risk because of the loan. Because every entrepreneur from they want to start a business, they need to learn. They need to have to learn, and that is a big risk because he takes a road alone. And third, he has only one employee before his success. Then now he has uh, more than 150 employees. Next, how Datuk Wan Muhammad Sani bin Saleh overcome the challenges. Uh, he didn't push the challenges and make the challenges be weak to him, but he overcome it. Which is first, he cautious in making decision. He know that decision is matter before he need to take a step. Second, he used all his energy and plan to start operating and address bus different. This means that he has a vision and he has a strategy on how to make his dream become true. Next, uh, he is he is courageous and confident on decision he made. You know that every decision he made need to think clearly and need to be confident. Okay, that's all from us. And thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.